Hi, this is Christian Delfino, Vice President of Sales for Roland Systems Group, and we're at the NAB 2009 show where we're introducing a number of new products, one of which is the VC50 HD multi-format field converter. So the VC50 is right here, and it converts HD SDI to IEEE 1394, FireWire or iLink, and it's bidirectional, so we'll also take your FireWire sources and convert them out HD SDI. So this is a totally battery powered, again, a field unit, so you can plug your 4-pin XLR for your Anton Bowery or IDX to power it, and then I also have a battery tray in the back as well. Now my HD SDI source will come in and it will convert through FireWire to a device that captures through FireWire, like our Edirol F1 recorder here, or directly into a Mac or a PC to capture into a nonlinear editor or a program like Scopebox or On Location from Adobe. The megabit rates that this will output are variable, so you can start all the way down at 2 megabits if you wanted to do some web streaming, and go all the way up to 50 megabits per second, and it will stream an MPEG-2 TS file. Of course, you can also stream HDV and standard definition DV as well. And again, bidirectional, I can also take that FireWire source and have it come out HD SDI or standard SDI if it's standard definition as well, without any problems. We also have an SDI through, so you can use this as a device that's inline to capture to an F1 or a computer to do dailies or just field cuts, rough cuts. If you're going to a higher end, fully uncompressed SDI solution is available. Also, for easy, inexpensive in-the-field monitoring, we have an HDMI port, and the HDMI port will allow you to go to a portable battery-powered HDMI monitor, and of course an HDMI monitor, lower price than an HD SDI monitor, so you can save a few pennies there when you're working in the field. This particular application that we're showing is an Iconics HD SDI camera going into the VC50 and into the F1. What's significant about this is that these are all battery-powered solutions. So if somebody's going to jump out of an airplane with one of these Iconics cameras on their helmet, we would have a backpack with all of this set up, and they would be 100% battery-powered, capturing at 50 megabits per second. If I switch over very quickly to the F1, of course the F1 was launched at NAB last year, and we are now introducing a version 2 software for the F1 that allows the megabit rates to go all the way up to 50 megabits. So now as a companion product, the VC50 and the F1, you can now capture 50 megabit resolution. So twice the resolution of HDV is now possible with the F1 and the VC as a combination. Also gives you the ability to capture higher bit rates from SDI equipped cameras that are there. Also new is interval recording on the F1. So because we can record really a 9-hour file, the interval recording will allow us to segment our clips into 10, 30, or 60-minute clips and not drop any frames, but give us more manageable file sizes instead of trying to edit one entire 9-hour clip. So both the VC50 HD and the version 2 software for the F1 will be available in June of this year. So Christian Delfino from Roland Systems Group here at the NAB 2009 show with the VC50.